Do you work hard all month? Your salary comes and your pocket is empty just 10 days later? If yes, this video is for you. Today, we'll talk about money-saving methods that really work. Introduction. Assalamu alaikum friends. I'm Mohammed Madni and you're watching Madni BJP. On this channel, we learn smart living and easy money-saving tips. Rule number 1. Start writing down your expenses. We spend money but don't keep track. From today, write down everything: tea, breakfast, petrol, online orders. When you see the numbers, your spending will automatically reduce. Rule number 2. Rule number 2. Small savings, big savings. Save just 100 rupees daily, 3,000 a month, and 36,000 a year. Cut just one unnecessary expense and start saving. Rule number 3. Rule number 3. Differentiate between needs and wants. Buying a new phone when the old one works fine, that's a want. Buying new clothes every month, that's a want too. When you control your wants, money starts saving. Rule number 4. Rule number 4. Avoid online shopping, sales, free delivery, last chance. It's all a mind game. Wait 24 hours before buying anything. Most times your mind changes. Rule number 5. Rule number 5. Lend money wisely. You don't have to lend to everyone. Lend only what you can afford to lose. Otherwise, you'll lose both money and relationships. Rule number 6. Rule number 6. A little extra income. Saving isn't enough. Do online work from your phone, do part-time work, or learn a skill. An extra 5,000 rupees make a big difference. Rule number 7. Rule number 7. Save first, spend later. As soon as you get money, set aside 10% immediately. Live on the rest. That's the secret. Motivation. Remember, rich people don't waste money. They control it. A little patience today, big freedom tomorrow. If this video was helpful, like it, subscribe to the channel, and comment, "I'm starting to save from today." In the next video, we'll talk about easy ways to earn money from home. Until then, Allah Hafiz.